Okay, I'm doing one more resin video and gonna do equal parts A and B. And this is Lett's resin. And so I'm new to this, but I'm really looking forward to playing with it. I've got a little coaster silicone mold that I'm going to use that I'll show you here in a second. And I'm just making sure I get all the product out. Exact equal amounts of each A and B. Lett's resin. I ordered it from Amazon. It's non-toxic, but I highly recommend gloves and a mask and some safety glasses just for extra precaution. They say it's non-toxic, but when you heat it and you're stirring, there's little bubbles in the air and chemicals that are released when you're heating it, so it just never hurts to be extra safe. I have me a little heat gun that's in my Amazon link, and I'm going to separate this out into gold leaf, and I think I got this on Amazon, and some gold glitter. I've got super bronze and brilliant gold, so this is going to be a sparkly one. I can't wait to see how it turns out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a little vintage brass in it from Deco Art, so I'm going to use different products. Okay, so you have to stir this together for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Here's the mold I'm going to be using. It's going to be for coasters. Hopefully I'll have enough resin to do all this because I have no idea how much resin it takes. I'm going to put my mask on so I won't be talking for the rest of the mixing. This is glitter from probably Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Just regular glitter. The bronze, super bronze, it's by Pearlex. Don't want a ton. We'll see how that does. I'll zoom in a bit. So that's bronze. And I'm going to take some of this vintage brass. I'll just take this little put a little scoop in there. That was less than a teaspoon, I would say. Brilliant gold. That's very pretty. I think I'm going to put just a hint more. And that'll be that. That's Pearlex is the brand. Beautiful mica powders that are just beautiful metallics. I've got I think it's 32 piece or, yeah. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see far away without my glasses. I'm sorry, I'm muffled. But I want to tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so the last one is going to be gold leaf. And I've seen people do this. So this will be interesting. These are flakes. I don't know how much to put in. So I'll stop about right there and see what happens. I don't want to touch my resin to this at all. Just push it down in there. Some on my fingers. Keep baby wipes around when you're doing resin. They're good for your fingers. Okay, so let me stir this up and see what it looks like. See if I need to add more. I wanted to see if the flakes broke down to smaller pieces, and I think they are. So that's good. Okay, so it's clear resin, but it's got the gold flakes intermingled. I do have some actual gold rocks, but they're not as pretty and shiny as this stuff. This says copper flakes, but it says imitation gold leaf. Can you hear me? My face is sweating so bad. Okay, here we go. So cannot breathe. I'm going to take my mask off to talk here for a minute. 10 ounces or so is more than plenty because this is up to the top for this piece. I am so freaking excited, and I didn't realize you were off frame. Okay, I'm going to get out of the room and let this thing cure. I am so excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am about this, because I have been waiting to do this for so long, and I finally got to do it. I just can't wait to see how it turns out. Oh, y'all, I am so excited. My first coaster geode thing that I have tried, and I just finished it, so I have to wait till tomorrow to unveil it, but oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. I have been wanting to do this for so long. I used gold leaf flakes and deco art and Pearl X powders and glitter. So we'll see what it turns out like. Ooh! Okay, I'm so excited. I'm really excited about this color with it being all metallics. I just can't wait. So it has sat overnight, and I'm going to, the cool part about this resin, Lett's resin, it was set up within less than 12 hours, but it is hard today, whereas yesterday at 12 hours it was kind of pliable. So just don't jump the gun on taking it out. So, oh my goodness. I'm going to take them all out, and then we'll see what they look like together. 2, 3, 4. So the silicone mold is still intact, everything. And look how sparkly. So this is the bottom side. I can't hold them all in a circle, but so that's the bottom side. It has the gold flakes in the edges, and make sure you're in focus. I can't tell there. Maybe that's better. Gold flakes, that vintage brass that's deco art, and well, and the glitter, that's glitter too. So it's glitter and vintage brass. And then here's the other side, which does have a little lip on it, but that doesn't matter. You can use it either way. And so it has a little different look from the reverse side. So you don't have to keep them in any order. There's a little more texture with the gold leaf on this side. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. And I might could have put one more thin layer on top of this to take it up to the rim across. I'm not sure because, like I said, I've never done this before. I really want to do it in a one-step process, but those are really, really pretty. So I'm very pleased. I am so pleased. Woohoo! All right. Okay. Oh my goodness. Love these. I did my first set of resin coasters in golds, and I am loving them. Gold leaf on the outside edges, gold and brass and glitter, and a little bit of a the copper bronze color down here. So this is one side, and then if you flip them over, they have just as lovely and different look on the other side. Look at that. They're just beautiful. So I got my first set of coasters done. This is going to be the journey of many more, I am sure. So I wanted you to see them. Woohoo!